Here we've got Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and let me show you how to turn on and use camera timer on this device. So at first click on your camera icon, then find and select timer, which is this clock icon, and you can pick 3 or 10 seconds delay. Then if you tap for the third time, it will be switched off. Let me choose 3 seconds delay, and now you can smoothly grab a picture, and it will be done after 3 seconds. And that's it. If you tap on it one more time, it will be 10 seconds delay. Let me pick another picture. So as you can see now, you've got the countdown, and after that the picture will be grabbed. And that's it. Then you can switch it off the same way, click once and the picture will be grabbed with no delay. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.